Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is actually this particular car, if I'm not wrong, the Nissan 2000 GTR KPGC10. Seriously don't know what those things means, but I know that this is a Nissan 2000 GTR. Okay, so I do have this in 64. I will be unboxing that in some time, and we did I think unbox this by Tomica long back. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Yeah, we did unbox this one, I remember. But not in this, it didn't came in this box, it came in a... Okay, you can see the boxing here. This is a bit different. This is similar to that premiums, that Dream Tomica ones which comes. That is pretty heavy. Let me put this box. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really nice, and there is some paint issue here, you can see here, and it has headlight details. It is painted on, embossed and painted on. It has grill details, and these are like embossed and painted on again, and it has taillight details as well, that is engraved and painted on, and the detailing, the vinyls and all looks really good. So the wheels are pretty basic, like mainline ones, and the body is fully metal. Wow, the chassis is actually metal, and it has good detailing to it. I mean, this is the first Tomica I actually have, which is similar to the mainline, but it has full metal casting. So I do have two TLVs. TLVs usually comes with full metal casting. So apart from that, we will be unboxing those TLVs as well soon. But this is the very first car I am having in Tomica that is full metal, which comes under this particular range. Okay, this has openable doors as well. Let me just... Okay, it has good interior detailing to it. The steering wheel looks really nice. It just pops up separately, and that is actually good. Okay, it's pretty heavy. Okay, it snaps back into place, no wobble or anything. Okay, yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I think maybe around 40 grams at least. Okay, 47 grams, really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, that does roll really well. It has some wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but I mean, it is barely noticeable while it is rolling. I mean, if you really concentrate on it, you can see it a little bit, but apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue at all. So guys, if you are able to get this casting, please go ahead and get it, because this is the very first casting I saw in Tomica in full metal, and this particular price range also. I don't know, I bought it somewhere around like 1000 rupees or so. So usually, this Dream Tomica comes under this range. And then like this Fast and the Furious sets and everything. So those also doesn't have metal chassis. This one has. So right out of the bat, I would give 10 out of 10 for this casting, because I am not seeing any issue with it, apart from the paint rash here, which I personally have in my mind. I'm not sure about yours. Maybe yours might not have. But everything else is metal on this one. Only the wheel is plastic. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.